Yeah, I've been making some progress on the Impala. Mostly just rust work. To get the body set back down on the frame, got everything fixed there, new mounts. Basically to get it sitting where it should be so we could do some rust repair. I'm working on the trunk. I'll put a new trunk floor in it. 3-piece one. That piece, and that center piece. You can see the line right there where it's put together over to there. Worst part is where those the same place, two outside, inside from a different place, and it's actually not quite long enough to match up, but the trunk should be done. Been scuffing it up to put some 415 on it. Other than that, about as far as he's gotten. He did do the floor in here, passenger side, and still needs to finish the driver's side. I believe he ordered a patch panel for that side, but this is an original floor out of a car that was at the junkyard, and it was the one I did the video on, the 69 Impala. Other than that, the floorboard in here is pretty good. I don't believe there's anything in the back part. They were good. Working on rust repair at the moment. Let's see. Got the fenders over there. They need a little work at the bottom. Does have that fender there, which is in pretty good shape, but I think he's decided what he wants to use yet. And next, the biggest deal is quarter panels. They are pretty rusty, and somebody's fixed them before. There's probably a car lot quickie special at one time. There's a lot of mud in it. So once he gets the trunk done, he's gonna probably start on the quarters or the fenders. Like I say, I'm not 100% sure what all pieces he has. Like I say, I believe he ordered a driver's side floor. There you can see out the quarter panel on that side. You can also see in here, I don't know about this side. Yeah, you can see some screen up in there. Somebody shoved up in there to fix the rust. Like I say, probably went into the car lot quickie, and this side has some metal shoved up in it. Anyways, I might show you guys after he gets it done. Pour 15 in it. Like I say, that should be done. Only other thing, it's the little hokies right there. I have to buy a new piece there for your trunk rubber. Other than that, quarter panels and the driver's side floor up here. Right there, which it ain't too bad. I mean, seen way worse floorboards, especially in this part of the country. I don't know if you noticed it before, but that door was pushed in. He pushed it back out, come out pretty decent. So. A little more progress on the Impala. I think I showed where I had the body off the frame, but he fixed the floor in it. He's kind of touching up the frame, getting ready to blast it. I'm going to paint it. Frame's a little rusty around those mounts. Need to flip her over and fix the rust. I think he still needs to touch up that side on the bottom. We'll look inside the Impala. I don't know if I showed the floor or not after he finished it. Probably hard to get in here the way the car's sitting on it, but looks like there's some water standing in it. They fixed the rust. It's mostly up there in the pans. Pour 15 the rest of it. I don't know if he's going to finish up there, but trunk's done too. He needs to figure out what he's going to do for the quarter panels. I'm trying to find some of those. And what else? Getting about it on the Impala. For now, had up in there the other day scraping all the undercoating off the bottom. Plans are to blast the frame, paint it. I'm not sure if he wants to blast the underneath of the car. I got a rotisserie we could put it on. Make it a lot easier to clean up. Really, it's a lot less work than sitting there trying to scratch around on it and clean it by hand. That's a little update on the Impala. I'll show more on it when we get further.